Today we are going to discuss another clinical scenario which is mostly encountered by our clinician, psychiatrist in clinical practice, and that is comorbidity between schizophrenia and substance abuse. Substance can be of any type, especially cannabis, for that matter, morphine, heroin, cocaine, alcohol. But mostly that association is discussed with in relation to cannabis and schizophrenia. The clinical situation, the clinical pitfall in that situation is that it has been observed the schizophrenia, classical, quote unquote classical schizophrenia usually is presented with two main symptomatology. One is called negative symptoms and one is called positive symptoms. Negative symptoms that could be depression, anhedonia, social withdrawal, catatonic feature, mood reactivity is reduced. These are a few negative symptoms which are part of schizophrenia usually. That is part of chronic schizophrenia. Now situation become tricky when a patient is presented to us with long history. For example, there is history of untreated psychosis which has been lasting for 5 to 10 years, 5 to 6 years, 12 years, 15 years. Now patient is in front of us. Clinically, now when we start assessment, in back of mind we tend to think that this is chronic schizophrenia, and chronic schizophrenia is usually classically represented by negative symptoms. But in this patient we usually do not see negative symptom. There is no such marked blunting of effect. There is no such depression, no such anhedonia up to the degree which we were expecting in those patients. In this situation, one point is very critical, and one should be very careful in this situation, that comorbid substance use in schizophrenia tend to reduce negative symptoms. That is bottom line. If a patient is using substance at the same time, somehow these substance of abuse tend to reduce negative symptoms. That's why these patients are not represented by typical negative symptoms, and we should not be tricked away from that clinical situation, and we should be focused that this is due to concomitant use of substance abuse that is confounding the picture.